You're welcome. In this quick tutorial. We are going to show you that how to remove followers on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, how to remove followers on TikTok? Click on the TikTok app. Now click on the profile icons. You can see here following, followers and like. If you are going to remove followers, you have to click on your followers. Now you have to click on the three dots which appear here. You can see cancel or remove this follower. I am going to click on remove this follower and click on remove. These followers will be removed on your account. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.